Ever wondered how successful people manage their finances? The secret lies in mastering personal finance management, a crucial skill that bridges the gap between your income and your financial goals. Developing this skill begins with understanding budgeting, a strategic plan that helps you allocate your hard-earned income towards necessities, savings, and investments. It's a roadmap that guides your spending decisions, ensuring you live within your means and gradually build wealth. But let's face it, budgeting can be a daunting task, especially when you're juggling multiple income streams and expenses. That's where a tool like EveryDollar can be a game changer. Developed by financial guru Dave Ramsey, EveryDollar is a budgeting app designed to simplify personal finance management. It's like having a personal finance advisor in your pocket, ready to help you make informed financial decisions at every turn. So, imagine having a tool that can simplify your budgeting process. That's where EveryDollar comes in. Introducing EveryDollar, a budgeting app designed to help you take control of your money. Born from the brilliant mind of financial guru Dave Ramsey, EveryDollar is an embodiment of his tried-and-true budgeting principles that have steered millions towards financial success. EveryDollar stands out with its focus on zero-based budgeting, a system that encourages you to assign every dollar a job, so no part of your income goes aimlessly. This app sports a clear and intuitive interface, making income and expense tracking a breeze. Customizable expense categories allow you to tailor your budget to your unique financial goals. With EveryDollar Plus, you can even enjoy the convenience of automatic transaction imports, saying goodbye to tedious manual data entry. Above all, EveryDollar is committed to supporting your journey towards financial freedom, assisting you to set and achieve your financial goals. EveryDollar is more than just a budgeting app, it's your path towards financial freedom. Let's delve into the features of EveryDollar, starting with its zero-based budgeting system. This system is the heart of EveryDollar, and it's designed to empower you to allocate every dollar you earn. But what exactly is zero-based budgeting? Zero-based budgeting is a method that gives every dollar of your income a job to do. The goal is to get your income minus your outgo to equal zero by the end of each month. It's not about spending all your money, but rather about ensuring that every dollar is accounted for and working for you. EveryDollar implements this system in a user-friendly way. When you set up your budget, you'll input your expected income for the month. Then, you'll create budget lines for every category where you plan to spend money. This could include your rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, savings, and so on. As you spend throughout the month, you'll track your expenses in these categories. The aim is to ensure that your income minus your spending equals zero. The benefits of this system are immense. Firstly, it allows you to have a clear picture of your income and expenses. This transparency can help you identify areas where you may be overspending and adjust accordingly. Secondly, it encourages intentional spending. By giving every dollar a job, you're making conscious decisions about how to use your money. This can lead to better financial habits and help you avoid frivolous spending. Lastly, zero-based budgeting can help you reach your financial goals. Whether you're saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, allocating a specific amount of money to these goals each month can keep you on track. In essence, with EveryDollar's zero-based budgeting, you determine where every dollar goes. This puts you squarely in the driver's seat of your financial journey. It's not just about tracking your spending, it's about making your money work for you. With EveryDollar's zero-based budgeting, you determine where every dollar goes, putting you in control. EveryDollar doesn't stop at zero-based budgeting. It offers clear income and expense tracking. Imagine having a bird's-eye view of your finances, where every dollar you earn and spend is accounted for. That's precisely what the income and expense tracking feature of EveryDollar provides. This feature, combined with a user-friendly interface, simplifies the process of budgeting. It's like having a personal finance manager in your pocket. With EveryDollar, you can record your income from multiple sources. Whether it's your salary, dividends from investments, or even that $20 you found in an old pair of jeans, EveryDollar has got you covered. And it's not just about tracking your income. The app also tracks your spending. Now let's talk about expenses. We all know how easy it is to lose track of where our money goes. A coffee here, a movie ticket there, and before you know it, you're wondering where half your paycheck went. EveryDollar tackles this issue head-on with customizable expense categories. You can create categories for groceries, utilities, entertainment, and more. This way you can see exactly where your money is going, allowing you to make informed decisions about your spending habits. And for those of you who prefer a more hands-off approach to budgeting, there's EveryDollar Plus. With this premium version, the app automatically imports transactions from your bank account, saving you the time and effort of manual data entry. This feature is a game changer for those who want to focus more on strategizing their finances rather than getting bogged down with the nitty-gritty details. EveryDollar is not just an app, it's a tool that empowers you to take control of your finances. It makes budgeting less of a chore and more of a path to financial freedom. With EveryDollar, you can allocate your income, track your expenses, and manage your money like a pro. So, whether you're a budgeting novice or a seasoned pro, EveryDollar has something for everyone. It's time to take charge of your money. EveryDollar makes tracking expenses and managing finances a breeze. Ready to take the first step towards financial freedom? Here's how to get started with EveryDollar. First things first, we need to download the app. Whether you're on Android or iOS, head over to your app store and search for EveryDollar. Once you've found it, click the download button. The app is completely free to use, so don't worry about any hidden charges. Once downloaded, open the app and you'll be greeted with a sign-up screen. You can sign up using your email or via your Google or Apple accounts. I'd recommend using an email account you frequently use, as EveryDollar will send you helpful reminders and insights. After you've signed up, you'll be taken to a screen where you can start setting up your first budget. Here's where the fun begins. EveryDollar uses a zero-based budgeting system, which means every dollar you earn is assigned a job, whether it's for bills, savings, or personal spending. Start by entering your monthly income, then allocate funds to different categories such as housing, transportation, and groceries. Don't worry if you're unsure about your expenses. You can always adjust these later. Remember, the goal is to make your income minus your expenses equal zero. Now, let's explore some pro tips to maximize your EveryDollar experience. First, take advantage of the customizable expense categories. The app comes with preset categories, but you can add your own to fit your unique spending habits. This will give you a more accurate picture of where your money is going. Second, make sure to update your expenses regularly. EveryDollar isn't just a set-and-forget tool. Regular updates will give you real-time insights into your spending and help you stay on track. Lastly, consider upgrading to EveryDollar Plus. This premium version offers features like automatic transaction import, making budgeting even more effortless. Congratulations! You're on your way to mastering your finances with EveryDollar. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. So be patient with yourself, stay consistent, and you'll see amazing progress in no time. Happy budgeting!